Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I taught you rectilinear propagation of light. What is the rectilinear propagation of light? This property of light by which it travels in straight lines is called the rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. And Activity 1, to prove that light travels in straight lines. To prove that light travels in straight lines. What are the materials required? Rubber or plastic tube about 2 feet long, a small candle and a matchbox. As you can see in the diagram, lighted candle, matchbox. Burning candle is visible when tube is straight, and burning candle is not visible when tube is bent at R. Then you will see that place the rubber tube PQ on the table like this. Place the rubber band PQ on the table and such that it is in line with A's and hence absolutely straight. It should be PQ, it should be straight. Place a small lighted candle near the end P, and near the end P you have to place a lighted candle. Lighted candle you can see in the diagram. You will place a lighted candle at the point P, and then look through the tube from the end Q, and from the end Q you will see, and then what will happen? You will be able to see the flame of the burning candle, and this suggests that light travels in a straight line, and this suggests that light travels in straight lines. And now look at the point R. Look at the point R in this diagram. This is the P, this is the lighted candle, and this is the R point. Now bend the tube at point R. Here you have to bend the tube at point R. Again look through the tube from the end Q, and again you will look through the end Q. You will notice that flame of the burning candle is no longer visible. You will notice that flame of the burning candle is no longer visible. This suggests that light cannot bend around. This suggests that light cannot bend around, and hence it travels in straight lines. So by this activity it is proved that light travels in straight lines. Light always travels in straight lines. So by this activity it is proved that when it is bent at point R, then you can not able to see the lighted candle, but in this case you can see the lighted candle. So by this activity it is proved that light always travels in a straight lines. Now come to the pinhole camera. What is the pinhole camera? It is a very simple device which at one time was used to take photographs of stationary objects. What is the use of the pinhole camera? It is used in take photographs of stationary object. It is not complicated in nature and is based on the principle that light travels in a straight line, and it is based on the principle that light travels in straight lines. Now come to the activity 2. Let us perform the following activity to construct the pinhole camera. Now activity 2, construction of a pinhole camera. How you will construct a pinhole camera? What are the materials required? 2 cardboard boxes, rectangular or cylindrical, A and B, and such that one box can slide tightly into the other box. Black paint, brush, common pin, tissue paper or rice paper, some adhesive gum, a small candle, matchbox, black cloth. Method. What is the method? Take the bigger cardboard box A, take the bigger cardboard box A and cut its one side. Take the, you can see in the diagram, this is the rectangular box with a pinhole H in the middle of one side. You can see that in the diagram, this is the pinhole camera. How you will make pinhole camera? This is A and B. And what you will do, what is the method? Take the bigger cardboard box A. A you can see in the diagram, you will take the bigger cardboard, that is the A. And after that, and cut its one side, and one side you have to cut it. Then in the opposite side, mark a point in its middle, and this point make a small hole H, and this point you will make a hole, that is the H. With the help of common pin, and this is a hole of the size of pin head and is commonly called pinhole. Paint this box black from inside and allow it to dry, and from this side you have to paint and then allow it to dry, and then you have to keep some time in the light of the sun. And take the smaller cardboard box B, this is the smaller cardboard B, and slide one cut it from both sides. On one side, fix a tissue paper with the help of adhesive. This tissue paper acts as a screen of the pinhole camera. And paint this box black from inside and outside and allow it to dry. This one also you have to paint it from inside and from outside, and after that keep it for few minutes for drying. When the paint dries on both boxes, and when the pen dries on both boxes, slide the box B into the box A like this. This is the box A, this is the box B, and you have to slide it here. Your pinhole camera is ready. Now your pinhole camera is ready, and now light a candle, a small candle, and fix it on the table. This is the small candle and you have to fix on the table. Now light a small candle and fix it on the table. In front of the lighted candle, place the pinhole camera. Just in front of the lighted candle, you have to place the pinhole camera and put the black cloth over the cardboard tube B and your head. Look through the cardboard tube. What do you observe? You will observe an inverted image of a lighted candle which is very small in size. Then what do you observe? You will observe that an inverted image of a lighted candle which is very small in size is formed. Now pull the cardboard tube B slightly outward. What do you observe? You will observe that image is still inverted, but it becomes slightly bigger and somewhat less bright as compared to the earlier image. Now push the cardboard tube B towards pinhole. What do you observe? And now push the cardboard B towards the pinhole this side. Then after that what will happen? What do you observe? You will observe that image is still inverted. What you will observe? You will observe that image is still inverted, but it becomes smaller and somewhat more bright as compared to the earlier image. Now face the camera towards a distant tree. What do you observe? You will observe that image is inverted and very small in size. Then after that what you will see, the image is inverted and very small in size, and all the details of the objects are clear. This is your pinhole camera. This is the pinhole camera. Burning candle, when you have to place it, the image is formed, it is very small in size, inverted, and all the details of the objects are clear. So this is all about the pinhole camera, and in this activity it is given that how you will make a pinhole camera. How you will make a pinhole camera? By looking the diagram you can make the pinhole camera. And this is all about the pinhole camera, how you will make the pinhole camera. And now next, how is image formed in a pinhole camera? Next one is the how is image formed in a pinhole camera. So activity 1, to prove that light travels in straight lines, and construction of a pinhole camera, you have to take revision.